Greetings, guys. This is your mentor, Mokozi JPY. So I will be breaking down dollar index because of there are some other things that are happening that we need to reveal, that we need to see. Because of when I check the market itself, it managed to give us a double bottom. But I started to ask myself one question: why those market it keep going down? It keep going down. Some other people they were thinking like the market is gonna sell. A dollar is gonna be very weak. But according to my understanding, according to my knowledge, my experience, I don't see a dollar index recover the lower of the lowest. I saw a dollar that is at it started to create a reversal pattern. What I mean when I said a reversal pattern, you'll understand this concept because of, let me just show you. So eventually, the market itself, they were respecting this level here. If you can check, they were respecting this level. What the market is trying to do, the market itself, it went down, it went up, it went down again. So according to my experience, because of we have a continuation pattern, which is the bullish flag, I started to realize that the market itself, they wanted to create a reversal pattern. The market itself, it just confirmed itself with a pattern. What kind of pattern that I'm looking right now? There are two possibilities that the market it can create those kind of pattern. For me, it looked like the market itself is going to create a double bottom and push the market to the upside, the pattern like this, which is the W, and push the price to the upside. But probability and possibility, there are high possibility that if the market it failed to create a double bottom, there are high possibility that the market it can create the inverse head and shoulder and push the market to the upside. So this is my understanding. This is my knowledge. I'm trying to make you to understand the terminology that I'm using because of the price itself. Always they will always try to show us a confirmation. Some other people they will expect the market immediately once the price it bounced to this level and continue push to the upside. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. That's why most of people are falling under trap. So what they are trying to accumulate, they are trying to form a reversal pattern so that they can able to push the price to the upside. But I don't want to make a video long. I want to make it short. So I will continue to analyze the market and explaining to you so that you can able to understand the terminology that I'm using because of, hey, it's been a long since I've been trading. Uh, in the foreigners exchange market. Remember my weight always. I will never stop saying that. And knowledge it turn into an experience. And then once you have a knowledge and then it become an experience, you will start to reveal some other stuff that some other people did not see because of automatically. If you can follow the knowledge, you're gonna be you're gonna have a problematic. You're gonna face a lot of problem. So at the same time, what I'm trying to say, be innovative, be innovative. So let's continue, guys. As you can see, we have this kind of a pattern. That's the reason why the market it was selling. We have this kind of pattern, which is an expanding pattern, expanding pattern. Because of the market, it was expanded. It was so squeezed and keep and expand. So within that continuation pattern, which is a bullish flag, we have this kind of pattern, which is the impulsive and the correctively and the impulsive. So at the end of the day, we know that this is not a major corrective. This is not a major corrective. Our major corrective is this one, our major corrective. So let me just make you aware so that you can able to understand. Remember, guys, I'm an author. I written the book, which is the one that I called Exposing the Secret of the Market. That one is a subtitle. And the title of the book, it's the nature of technical analysis. No indicators, no robot system, no moving average, pure price action. So as you can see, the concept, the market is given as impulsive, which is the impulsive and followed by correctively, and then another impulsive followed by the correctively, and another impulsive followed by the correctively. So you started to understand why I'm saying this is it's a major corrective, not this one, not this one. It's not a major, this one. The major is this kind of flag. It's a major pattern. So automatically, what we are really expecting here, we are really expecting the price to shoot to the upside. If I'm wrong, guys, I will come back to you. Say, no, man, what I was expecting did not happen. But this is my understanding. That's the nature. Remember, guys, the overall structure, we have only one touch here. We have only one touch here. And then when we check the previous one, we have first touch, and then we have a second touch, major support, and then at the top, it's a major resistance. So let's continue, guys, just to save time. Just to save time, because of I don't want to make a video long, because of I know, hey, if I can talk about the foreigners exchange market. Hey, I won't finish, guys. So I want to finish. So, guys, as you can see here, I'm gonna just go to another time frame, but our focus is gonna be here. So I'll move to a daily time frame. So as well as I'm on the daily time frame, you can able to see that the market itself, it created a multi-touches, first touch, second touch, and then the third touch. Remember, according to the way we are using the time frame, there are some other things that you cannot see on the weekly time frame. But just to move to the daily time frame, you're gonna realize the things that you did not realize in other time frame. So I'm gonna just go to another time frame, which is a daily time H4 time frame. Remember, H4 time frame is mainly used for the continuation pattern or the reversal pattern. So before I can move to another pattern, I'm gonna just mark this kind of level here. I will mark this level here. So as I managed to mark this level, because of I want focus here into that level. Remember, we are day traders. So I'll just move to H4 time frame. As well as we are in the H4 time frame, let's see what's gonna happen. We are at the H4 time frame, market tap, tap, tap. So I still don't believe this thing is going to sell to that level. No, I don't believe this one is gonna be a corrective. It's gonna be the market is gonna sell. I don't believe this is which is the impulsive, this is the corrective. No, I still don't believe. I still expecting the market to shoot to the upside. The reason why I'm saying that, let me went to a weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, if you can check, we have a big rejection. The market rejected. So today, according to my understanding, they will be closing somewhere around here, or they will close into this key level. So high possibility when the market open, there are high possibility that they will be fetching the lower a little bit before they can continue push the price to the upside. You see. So let me just continue, go to H4 again. As well as I'm on H4 time frame, I'll move again, go to another time frame, which is our H1, because of there is nothing that I can mark here. So as well as we are in the H1 currently right now, I started to realize something like this. I'm gonna turn it into line chart. Remember, line chart, it shows us the closing price. This is the lower that we have here. The market was respecting the previous one. Even here. And here again. So you can see they keep impulse and corrected, impulse and corrected, and impulse and corrected. The market, it doesn't move like a straight ruler, guys. So I'm gonna just turn into a candlestick chart. So you can see. You can see. It's a clear. It's perfect. So again, what we are really expecting, I'm still expecting as the market is going to give us another impulsive, because of currently right now, before I can explain that one, currently right now, they were respecting this level here. They were respecting this level. They were respecting this level. This level. They were respecting. Hey, I remember there is a one guy, I used to talk to him on the TikTok, Mr. KG. Hey, this guy, I like his language. It's the same like the doctor himself, the referee shaman, is the same. He sound when he speak, that guy speak like a referee in your. Yes. So, according to my understanding, I'm still expecting something like this. Remember, guys, I'm using a top-down analysis, no indicators, no moving average. So I will be expecting the price again to come back and respect this level before we can continue and shoot the price to the upside. So you see, once they came back and bounced to that level, they will be respecting that support. Remember, this is our major support. They will be respecting that major support, and then don't expect exactly a bounce to this level. You must know that there is something that we call a fake out and the real breakout. So the book is coming, guys. You will see, you will understand. This book is more advanced than what I'm teaching here. Hey, I don't want to lie, guys, but you will see. You will see. You will see. As I managed to make a promise that this month it will never, a February, not a February, March will never end. So we still have this level here, the high. You see, we still have this high here. So you must know that sometimes the market is not gonna give you a deeper correction. Somewhere, somehow, they will be reacting like this. In a sideways, in a range, in a form of range. And for a certain time, maybe they created a W formation. Beside a W formation, they will be giving us a 3 touches and shoot to the upside. So I given you everything you wanted to know. I given you everything you wanted to know or you wanted to understand because of I've been trading for so many years. As I said, my knowledge it turned into experience. We are done about the knowledge because of hey, we've been there. We've been there into this foreigners exchange market. So we are done about the knowledge. Currently, right now, our focus is into an experience, the revelation. But it's not like the market, it does not teach us. The market is gonna be always our mentor. The market will always teach us the things that we don't know, you see. So I can say this is my supported from the H1, and then this is my resistance. You see, that's a range. Why I'm saying that is because of if the market itself, it can come back into this level and come back before they can shoot to the upside. So I give you all the sides. So let's move to 15 minutes, guys. I don't want to make a video long. So I'm just summarizing. I'm summarizing, guys. So this is the setup. This is the revelation that I can tell you. This is my understanding. So let me just went back to H1, H1, and then I'm gonna move to H4 again. So let me uh, open this. Yeah. So you can see, guys, this is something that I'm really expecting. It's not like I'm predicting what is going to happen. It's just I'm making you aware. You need to be innovative, you see. So it's something that I'm looking like this, guys. So let me just went to a daily time frame. A daily time frame. I went to the daily time frame, guys, as you can see. Yeah, everything started to be clear. So this one, it was a probability and possibility if the market is gonna come back. But if it doesn't come back to that level, if it does not come back to that level, you must always expect something like this. Something like this, guys. Something. Oh. Hey, you must expect something like this. When the market break out that level, expect the market to reach that level. Maybe they will be give you a range or a deeper correction and expect another impulse because of we are focused into this level. The market have been respecting this level for so long. You see. So once they broken that level, we know we are gone. Once they broken that level, remember one concept, guys. As strong as level, market it doesn't break in correctively. That correctively is gonna be happening maybe, and once it broken, it's gonna broken impulsive, not correctively. Once it's gonna be broken that level, it's gonna broken impulsive. The psychological level, it doesn't broken correctively. It's always broken impulsive. Guys, I'm out. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you know, Mokozi JPY, this is your mentor. Yeah, comment if you don't understand something, if you've seen something, you must type it, comment there at the comment box. And then don't be negative, guys, be positive. Tell me what you see according to your understanding. And I will come back and tell you, no, why I'm saying that is because of this and this and this and this and this. You see? I'm out, guys. Sharp. I'm out. I'm out. I'm really out.